你觉得你吃过最特别的东西是什么？
原子笔的墨水，就是以前耍帅叼着一支原子笔假装在抽烟，结果我吸太大力了，墨水被吸出来，结果我的舌头像是刚吃完那种色素棒棒糖一样，而且那个棒棒糖还是南美口味的。
好，原子笔是一种色素棒棒糖。
对，它其实也能算是有点甜，但不要这样做，不要这样做。
你有吃过笔芯吗？
有啊，笔芯没什么味道，就是国小的时候我会表演给其他同学看，
从国小就热爱表演呢。
天生的小丑。
In the Philippines, like there's a thing called balot where we eat like fertilized duck egg. So yeah, that's a interesting but controversial dish that people don't like to eat, but I like to eat it.
So it's like half duckling, half egg?
Yeah.
Ooh, so it has bones.
Yeah, it has soft bones, so you can't really feel it crunch. It's like ideally, like it's not fully formed. Like the ones I get aren't fully formed. But like stuff on Google shows it, like shows the duck in it. Ooh, you can season. There's like soup inside, so what I typically do is like I put a bit of salt in it before like drinking the soup. It's very good.